So, you can think of this kind of like a game, so to speak. Okay. I'm thinking of two numbers that multiply to 45. Okay. And then add to 14. Okay. So, like I said before, I hope you guys are tuning in because today, tomorrow, and Thursday are the most important lesson of this whole course, of this whole year. Okay, so and like I said, it's the good news is that it's actually really easy. Okay, I wouldn't say it's really easy, but it's easy. Okay, and it's definitely easier than some of the stuff you've already been doing. Okay, so I'm thinking of two numbers that multiply to 45 and add up to 14. So what I would start with is the top. Think of numbers that multiply to 45. Okay, maybe it's 3 times 5, which is not, I made that up. Maybe it's 3 times 6. So start with that and see if those numbers add up to 14. Okay. If you know the two numbers, please type it in the chat and just DM me. Okay. If you already know the two numbers, go ahead and DM me. Two numbers that multiply to 45 but add up to 14. Go ahead and please make that a private message, folks. Okay. I'll give you guys around a minute more. Okay, the two numbers that you should have gotten are 9 and 5. Okay, because 9 times 5 equals to 45. That matches. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. Okay, and that matches. All right. Okay, I want to do one with negatives. Okay. All right. So let's pretend. So let's go ahead and do another example right over here. I'll create another example right down below here. Okay. And let's pretend we have negative 35 and negative, and let's go 2. Okay. I want two numbers that multiply to negative 35. Remember, the top number is always going to be multiplied to. Top number is always multiply to. Okay. Bottom numbers always add to. Okay. Boom. Whoops. Boom. Boom. Okay. And green. All right. Now, go ahead and DM me and let me know two numbers that multiply to negative 35 and add up to 2. Go ahead and just private message me. I want two numbers that multiply to negative 35 and add up to 2. Okay, one of them should be negative. Okay, one of those numbers should be negative. Give you guys around 30 more seconds. Multiply.
Sorry. Once we find the two numbers, does it matter which side we put them on?
No, it does not. So you could have, that's a really good question, Dylan. You could have switched the 9 and the 5. Okay, it does not matter. Okay, hopefully you guys got 7 and -5. Okay, 7 times -5 equals to -35. Smiley. 7 plus -5 equals to 2, and that matches also. Okay. All right. Okay, I want you guys to go ahead and do these problems that you see, okay, on the right side, and I'm going to add some more. Okay, these were just a repeat. Okay, I want you to go ahead and do the problems that you see right here. Okay.